So, police investigations are still ongoing. You will recall that the hitman was sentenced and convicted to 85 years in prison. And there are still outstanding suspects because the investigation is at a very sensitive and advanced stage. But during our investigations, we then find out that Mr. Fatal Adams has been going to prison to visit this hitman, taking down statements. At one point, the statements were all over social media. Now, in what capacity was Mr. Fatal Adams visiting this particular hitman, knowing very well that there is a dedicated team that is investigating this particular case, knowing very well that Mr. Fatal Adams has an instructing lawyer. He should have gone through his lawyer because his lawyer obviously has all those statements and so on. In what capacity really? Because he is not an investigator, he's not a member of the political killings task team that is already working on that particular case. So this is an opportunity really for Mr. Fatal Adams to tell the court and to tell the nation what he was doing visiting a convicted and sentenced hitman. And we know that it was months before the hitman was sentenced and convicted, because he was convicted on the 7th of July 2025. And according to our investigations, the visits to the hitman started in November 2024 up until January 2025. So we deem this as interference because you are not an investigator, you're not a detective working on that particular case. And if you took a statement, what were you doing with that particular statement if you did not hand over that statement to the team that was working on the case? And maybe perhaps you wanted to assist the investigating team with their work, but then why did you not hand over that statement to the team that is investigating that particular case if really Mr. Adams wanted to assist with investigations?